PSL Pulse, Mr. MK Sithole. Welcome back mfethu to the new season. Ngicela sikhulume ngegame namhlanje ubone kanjani?
Hayi game namhlanje yona hayi. Bemnanda ngoba ngithi mashisa la stadium into esifuna ayiwin.
Yeah.
Ukuthi abafana badlale kanjani njengoba kuyi first game vele. Kufanele kuba njalo vele ngoba I combination iswe ingake yabi the way. Ngoba I first game abafana basaphuma ku pre-season. So kodwa into esifunayo maze stadium iwin. Yeah, ukuthi igame ibe njani ukuba mnandi kwe game ama goal.
Funeka ama-goal.
Ama-goal njengoba siwinile sina 3 points sina 2 goals. Mina igame ngibona right manjalo.
Thank you. Abdeslam Watu, the Orlando Pirates coach, ne uqale nge-starting lineup ukuthi all the players they were there last season. Alekhi player belilisha ku starting lineup ukuthi it's an improvement ayenzile from the previous season. Usakhumbula ukuthi as fans been complaining ukuthi why a change a starting lineup when Orlando Pirates lost the first 2 games ku-league. Do you think ukuthi improve ngalokho?
Yebo improve angithi njengoba sikhuluma kanje na coach na bayabamba lawo ama message lawa sikwakhulumayo ukuthi mhlambe njengoba sikhuluma coach na lezinto akasithathi serious ngoba njengoba kade simbonisa ucoach hayi ukuthi kade besingalwi naye but just ukumbonisa ukuthi nomfowethu unga change ungalungisa into engaphukanga ngoba I lineup kade sina last season be right so last I lineup be right why breaker wafaka new lineup saluza 2 games so kwamanje ufake I lineup le sijwayele ama regular player ubuya washinja ngalabanye usign but still kungena igoal futhi emva kwalokho usho ukuthi ngamanye amagama ucoach uimprovile yes
thank you mfethu man of the match yakho today bekubani
man of the match namhlanje mina ngayinika uDenson
Cameron Danson
yeah ngoba uDenson njoba kade angathola igame time last season kade simbukela manje na kuma pre-season ngale Spain but namhlanje futhi into kodwa kahle uDenson even last season kulawa ama 5 minutes kade awathola kade awasebenzisa kahle iplayer kahle kahle akusumuntu ocontrolwa ipressure umuntu nje olazi ibhola uDenson uyafita all position ngoba namhlanje mina kade nganda lo muntu uze midfielder is attacking ngoba nasemuva bekalanda ibhola uyamaka uyaphasa uyashuta so well done Denson.
Well done to Cameron Danson. Usakhuluma ngaye. How many seasons do you think uzowadlala la kuLorlando Pirates before he goes overseas?
Makuthi uDenson uzothola I game time this season. Next season angeke sibuye naye njengoba umfuke naye ahambile kanje. Next season angeke sibuye naye and ungathi Noah Police next season.
Ngathi angeke abuye.
Angeke abuye. So njengoba kuhamba umfukeni uwa Police wasala. Is not ukuthi usala ngokuthi abamfuni. Khona izinto esayilungisa. So next season uwa Police uyahamba no Denson une chance ukuhamba as long as uthola game time ngoba lo muntu ufitha ngama position and the type of player yakhe ngiyayithanda ngoba udlala I-team uyayibona lento uyakwazi ukucontrol igame uyashuta and akathatha umoya ukuthi mhlambe noma kuthiwa ngisakhumbula last kwenye game Sundowns ePitoli abantu abaningi kade bangamthandi bayambuwa ePitoli I still remember ePitoli bayambuwa emva kwaloko washaya igoli uDenson goal of the season futhi so kwesinye isikhathi nabalandeli sinokuba sibe nenkinga kuphi sinama favorite wethu noma umuntu angaperforma as long ngamthandi leyo player angeke ngiyibone ngoba ngimthandi so uDenson uprovile ukuthi no yena uzosebenzela I-team and uyabahlonipha futhi abalandeli so nathi siyamhlonipha so siyabonga umfana angashintsha igiya kodwa yena uDenson angeke alishintshe igiya uzolokwa phambili the more athola game time the more I improve so angisena wamaning member singama defending champion njengoba ubona ngibhale kanje operation thatha zonke na kule season ungathi kuzoba njalo ngoba weekend iDurban City tina umuntu simuresponda egroundini njengoba akhuluma lo mfana okhulumile ucaptain wabo ezindawo ekhulumile tina singendawo tina umsebenzi wethu so ba prove egroundini asikwazi ukuthi ngamjikijela ngamagama akusumsebenzi wethu lo into esiyenza uthina umuntu simbonise egroundini sishaya iDurban City next game iphume sikwazi ukudefend iMTN yethu neCarling Cup futhi
neCarling Cup afethu wonke ama-cup athayeza kuOrlando Pirates this season Operation Thatha Zonke including the CAF Champions League PSL Pulse. This was Ustosh